on the way home from work, I stayed later because they offered me some overtime. So I am just about to be home, and I think it's going to be a short vlog. I don't have anything planned for tonight. Guys, I didn't film much today at all, but it is 8:15 and I have to edit this, so there's not going to be many clips in this video, but tomorrow I'll try to film a little bit more. After I stayed late at work, I came home and had supper, got in the shower, and now I'm going to edit the video and do some Disney planning for our trip in November. So sorry that this one was a short one, but we'll try to make tomorrow a little bit longer. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.